Welcome to CodeBlock Dev, your fastest way to launch a complete SaaS application. Are you an entrepreneur, a developer, or even an AI model trainer building a SaaS product? This is for you. CodeBlock SaaS Development Kit. Starting a SaaS from scratch means building a lot of general-purpose modules before you even touch your core idea. Things like identity, pricing, subscription, payment, administration, blogging, settings, monitoring, AI chatbot, change tracking, licensing, and more. You'll also need a website, admin panel, user panel, chatbot client, REST API, and all the behind-the-scenes supporting modules like email service, SMS service, security, localization, globalization, caching, job scheduling, web optimization, testing, build automation, and more. All of these take time. They're full of technical details, design complexity, and require ongoing maintenance, even though they're not unique to your startup idea. Instead of spending months building common features, you can use CodeBlock Dev Kit. We've already built and tested all the modules you need. Just download our SaaS template, run the setup, and start building your own SaaS on top of it. See how easy it is? Simply download the SaaS template from our GitHub repository. Next, open the project on your computer and run the setup script. Follow the wizard to customize the template for your specific SaaS project. Now, open the project in your preferred IDE and run it. Just like that, your SaaS is up and running. Without writing a single line of code, you have a website, admin panel, user panel, REST API, chatbot client, and much more. We handle the maintenance, but everything is fully customizable by you. You can also use our trained AI agent or other tools like Cursor and guide them using our documentation and sample projects to build your own unique features. Exciting, right? Get your CodeBlock Dev Kit license and start building your SaaS.